Hello children, already we have studied chapter number 2. In that we have studied introduction to Java. In that the topics we have covered, that was evolution of Java, or you can say history of Java, types of Java program. There are two type of Java programs, that is applets and standalone applications. Now standalone application is a program which you are writing on your PC computer, and Java applets or internet applets are the applets which you get like small games and all that. Next, machine level language. Already you studied, there are, it depend on binary number system, that is on 0 and 1. Then you have studied about assembly languages. Assembly languages are the languages which use many codes. After that we have studied about high level language like your C, C++ and Java and all that. Now in high level language we generally require interpreter or compiler. Next thing we are going to study is your BlueJ. What is BlueJ? It is a platform on which your Java program execute or work. Now today I am going to tell you the process how to start BlueJ and how to create a program, how to save that program, how to compile that program, how to run that program, again how to debug, or you can say edit that program, or how you are going to save or execute or open that program. All these three functions I am going to tell you different ways with the help of a video. Please see the video very carefully. Now when you click on start button, two processes are there to open your BlueJ. First, either double click from the desktop, that means there will be an icon on your desktop, that is BlueJ, and that means when you double click on BlueJ, then you have this project window will be there. Or second option is that you click on start or you click on BlueJ. Again when you click on start and from there you select BlueJ, a window will be there. On that window, project window will be there, and you can open from there also. These are the two processes to open the BlueJ. Now how to create a new project. So you are going to click on project, then new project. I am going to tell you that you are going to click a project with your name. Suppose I am writing SJS. This is my project, I am writing the name. Then you can mention here class also, SJS10. Then I created, as I created this BlueJ SJS10, this is your name of your project. So this is the way you can create your project. Now after creating project, our next task is to create a class. So click on new class. From there you are going to write a class name. Suppose I am writing program 1, so I have written prog1. so this is class name. So as I mentioned prog1, it will display this type of icon. Now you see some lines, bars are there. This means this program is not compiled. So what we can do, just double click, or you can do right click on this and you get open editor. Once you click on open editor, then you find predefined or pre-designed already one Java file is there. So you press Ctrl A and select delete button. Now once you have selected and deleted, this will be blank. That means this allow you to write your program. I am writing a simple program, so you just see here. So I start to, here you can write your program, that is public class, then class name already I mentioned there, that is prog, so capital prog1. okay, after that curly braces, then main method, that is public static void main. In void main you can write string args. There are so many methods, you can write with any of the method. I am writing simple way, so you can use any of the method. Then system dot out dot print, then bracket start, in double quotation I am going to write welcome to Java, and you just close this bracket, semicolon, then curly braces close, then curly braces close. Now you see here two brackets are open, so it is compulsory to close the two brackets. Now your program is ready for compile. You can do compile. When you see, you find save class compile, no syntax error. That means your class is not having any error, so you close from here. Now that bar is already removed, that means the program is compiled. Now with this you can do two process, either double click so to open the editor, or this right click to get the options like new prog, void main and all that. As we have written program with void main, so what you are going to do, just click on this, then arguments and all that, no arguments you are going to pass, simple. So it is that right, you have written a program, write a program in Java to display this message. That means you see this is your program and this is the output of that. As I instructed you that whatever you write with this command, it will be displayed as it is. Welcome to Java. Now next, now sometime you need to implement, means make some modification, changes and all that. So what you can do, you can just double click the same program, and if you want to add something, then you can add. Suppose I want to add one more statement, that is system dot print. Okay, then here I am going to add one more statement, that is I have written my school name is St. Joseph's Greater Noida. So this I have written. Now I am closing this and with semicolon. Semicolon means termination of the statement or termination of the line. So my process is again to compile. Now class compile, no syntax error. Then I am going to close this. Again right click, then void main. When you void, okay. Now when you find this thing, then both the statements, that is welcome to Java and welcome to Java, my school name is St. Joseph School Greater Noida, is coming in the same line. So what I am going to do, I am going to do some modification, that is I am going to use println, and instead of print I am going to use println. Ln means new line. Again my process is to compile. As I get this message, then I move forward and again I will write or click on void main. Then all the modifications you will see here. That means whatever you modify after compiling, you get the output according to that. Options are there: clear, copy, save to file, print, clear screen at method call. Always tick this mark, because if you don't tick this mark, then your previous output will be there. Like suppose I am going to untick and again I am going to use this one. Then every time, how many times I just use void main, the same number of times I'll get the continuation of your outputs. So if I want the correct or the previous or the present output, then I have to use this option, that is clear screen at method call. Now again I am just using that. Now you find the difference. That is only the current output. The current output means I've executed this once and it is displaying the output of the same program. Okay, this is the way how you can modify and all that. Now if you want to give this class print and all that, you can give from here also, and you have all these options like class, edit, tool, options and all that. You can change the preference, that means size of your text. Suppose it is given by default it is 12, I am going to change, that is 18. Then you see the observation, that means yes, font size of your text will be more. So these are the small things you can make in your programs, and this is how you can edit your program. Now next we are going to write another program. So I am writing that my new program, the class name is welcome. Now as I have written this class name, it is coming with a shaded line, so double click and Control A and delete. That means you are going to write your program. So write public, then class, then class name already you have mentioned that is welcome, again curly braces, then you write public void, then welcome, message, then this is object, so you leave it curly braces, then system dot out dot print ln you can use, then welcome to Java program. I am writing this simple, so you also just cross check. Two brackets I have opened, so two brackets I have to close. Please check. When you click on this, that means this bracket is open. When you click on this, that means this is for the. Now when you compile, file saved class. Now error is there, that means there should not be any space because this object is 1, so you just simply use underscore, when you write. Now again class compile, no syntax error, then you execute this. Now when you see option new welcome is there, void main is not there because you have created an object. When you create object, then it will be displayed here. Now what you are going to do, you just click on void welcome message, then you get the output. This is the second way to create objects and all that. Now I am going to explain this program, that is public class welcome, then curly braces, public void welcome message, then curly braces again, then this system.out.println welcome to Java program. Now here I am going to tell you about this line 1. So public, the keyword public is access specifier that defines the scope of a class. The keyword class denotes that this is a class with the name welcome. In line 2, when you see, the first open curly braces mark as a beginning of the code, this one, and after that line number 3, that is this statement create a new member method, that is class, that is called welcome. This is new member method, this is known as method because there is this opening and closing bracket. Now in this we have keyword public, that is access specifier that define scope of a member method. Then void, it is a Java keyword which signifies that this function will not return a value. Then you get the name of the member method, that is welcome message. The method name is programmer specified, which cannot be a Java keyword. You can use any name, number, alphanumeric value, but it should not be a Java reserved word or keyword. In line number 4, the opening curly braces indicates that beginning of the method code. That means method we have used, so it is the beginning of your method code. In line number 5, that is system.out.println statement prints the text in double quotes, whatever we write in double quote, as an output. Now semicolon indicates, after this we have semicolon, indicates the end of the statements in the Java program. Now you have to terminate every statement with a semicolon. Now absence of, if we are not putting this semicolon, that means it will display error, compile time error. Now in line number 6, I have closed the curly braces, indicate the end of the method code. Now in line number 7, I am last closing this curly braces to end the class code. Now this is the program, you can compile it, you get file saved, class compile, no syntax error. This is the full program description. Output you are getting. So how to save output? You just click on option, there you find clear, copy, save to file, print and all that. So click on save to file. Now output welcome, you write that output welcome, name of your program and all that. So my document, select the location and click on save. Once you click on save, then output will be saved on your my document folder, any of my document folder. Double click on that, right click on that, and you can get options like open with and all that. So open when you want to open. So notepad, then this is the out. From here you can give the print command if you want to give print. So this is how you can save your output. Now next topic is to print your source code. So for that you can double click on the class, and once you get this, then click on print. Then you can here select the print, whether you want to print with a line number and all that, and you select the printer and your program code will be printed. This is the way you can select the printer and all that. After selecting the printer, number of pages if you want all, then click on all and all that. After that click on OK. If you want to cancel, you can cancel from there. This is to print your source code. Next, how you can open an existing project. For that click on open project. As already one project is there, so you select the project and double click, that existing project will be open for you. Now these were the topics. Children, please follow this process sincerely. I'll meet you in my next class. Up to that time, thank you. Bye bye. God bless you all.